Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Life of Precious. So if you're new here, thank you so much for dropping by. Do not forget to give me thumbs up and also press the subscription button. So today we are going to be trying one of the old wives' tale on how to identify the gender of the baby. You guys already know that we're having a baby, so it's time for us to identify if it's a baby girl or if it's a baby boy. I know you guys can't for that. Well, the truth is I already know because I've done lots of scan. I couldn't wait, so I had to, dive into it. And so, first of all, I'm also going to be warning you guys, if you feel gross with urine and all of that, or you're not comfortable saying urine, I'm sorry, skip this video. But the truth is, we all pee. Also, there is no amount of, they didn't state the amount of urine or the amount of baking soda that is needed for the test. So, we are just going to use this. So the old wives' tale says that if you pour the urine inside the baking soda and then it fizzes or it bubbles, it means you are having a baby boy. But if it doesn't do anything and then it just stays still, it means you are having a baby girl. So we are going to try that. I'm just going to pour this urine inside the baking soda and then let's see. You guys watch. Oh my god. Wow. 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 Oh my god. Are you kidding me? Oh my god. Whoa. 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 You guys saw all what happened. The truth is that the scan result that I did, several scan result that I did showed that it's going to be a baby girl. But this test is saying a different whole thing. So I don't understand. So, well, thank you very much for watching this video. Do not forget to subscribe and also give me a thumbs up. See you in my next video. Thank you guys. Bye.